Hello, welcome back. Today I will be explaining the first step for affiliate marketing or any other business model for that matter. If you have seen the introduction, my name is Snezana Baston. The introduction video showed that I showed you 3 principles. Today we will discuss the first one. Why do you exist online and why should anybody care? Why is that important? Well, every business is 80% psychology and only 20% technicality. I know, please stay with me, because 20% is where you want to jump to. But let me show you a few examples that will really show you why it is important that you adhere to the 80% of psychology first and answer the question, why do you exist online? And why should a customer care? Let's have a look at the first website that I have found for you. Look at this lady. She is doing quite well for herself. But what is it that you can see within the first 2 seconds? You see her face, you see her name, and you know exactly what she is about. Why is she online? She is online to help other entrepreneur women not to get burned out. Bam! You immediately have customer reaction. It's appealing, but that's not the only thing. You see her, the lady shines forth. You see she is the business and she has something to offer. Now let's look at 2 bad examples. One is a quite obvious bad example. Let's say you are looking online for something specific. Let's say you want a car. You go online and you find this website. Now please take 2 seconds and tell me how you feel when you look at this website. Here it comes. 1, 2, I'm sure you have left the website by now because it's overwhelming. There is no congruency. What's the message? What are they doing? You're overwhelmed. They did not answer the question, why do they exist online? They're only focused on the 20% of technicality. Bang, bang, bang. Just put everything in there. It doesn't matter. But it does matter, as you have seen. What is the feeling you got when you saw the first website? And what is the feeling you got when you saw the second website? Now you might say, oh, I can make it look, I can make it to look better or things like that. Okay, let's go and see the website of Dom Perignon, which is a famous champagne. How did they score on the why do we exist and why should anybody care? Let's look at their website. Obviously, as you can see, they have done a bit more with the visual effects. But it still overwhelms you because the message is lost. It's more about, oh, that's artsy. It's like a little nice movie. But what is this about? Surely someone who's a multi-million-dollar company can do better. What I'm trying to tell you here is you have a chance at succeeding if you take the time to do the 80% psychology first. Answer the question, why do you exist online and why should your audience care? How do you do that? It's very simple. It only takes a few seconds. Below this video, in the description, I have placed a link for you. It is free. It's a free quiz where you can find out, and you will find out, what your predominant type of energy is. Please stay with me, I will explain. Carol Tuttle from Living the Truth and Dress Your Truth, she has found a way that helps people realize their true movement, their true energy. We were all born with it. This is something that never changes. Unfortunately, our surroundings and our environment, whether it's parents, school, job, whoever it is, has smothered us. They have shamed us maybe, or said, maybe you've heard, why are you so quiet all the time, or why are you so loud all the time, and things like that. We have been made by for example, 4 elements. We all know those 4 elements. Have many things around us have been made by those 4 elements. I'll make it simple. Air, water, fire, and soil or earth. In other words, which you have learned at school, is hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon. Everything we see around us is made from those 4 elements. So there is one of those elements in you is predominant. It shows up in your personality, in the way that you approach life. That is very important to find out because it influences your work life as well. I will quote what she writes in her book, It's Just My Nature. Type 1 energy. You thrive in positions with flexibility in your schedule, varied social interactions, and opportunities to share your ideas in a fun way. Type 2 energy. You do best in positions that allow you to complete tasks at your own pace, connect with others comfortably, and optimize your gift for detail-oriented planning. Type 3 energy. You work best in high-pressure situations that require swift thinking. You enjoy the opportunity to take charge, motivate others, and accomplish multiple tasks simultaneously. Type 4 energy. You need a work environment where you feel respected and are seen as an authority. You work most efficiently in a position with systems that can give you feedback on to improve. Please go below this video. In the description you will find a link. It is a free quiz, and you even have a free starter beginner guide which will guide you. And please, my dear fellow neighbor, this is for your benefit. So you have a great start at any affiliate business that you choose. Let me show you how it works with those 4 different types of energy movement. Let's say the 4 types decide to all go into the coffee business. I'm just using this as an example, but you will see where I'm getting it with this. Let's say the type 1, which we have heard, is predominantly working it has to be fun. We all like fun, but this type has a predominant fun way. So, for example, all 4 of them find the same coffee affiliate partner. Now, how would a type 1 could, for example, approach it? How? He could maybe put fun pictures or fun quotes on his coffee label that he ships to his customers. This is a very simple example. Let's take type 2. He's predominantly detail-oriented. And he, for example, finds the same coffee affiliate partner. He, on the other hand, because he has more detail-oriented, he puts info on the coffee, let's say, where it's from. Maybe he places the coordinates on the label and a picture of the coffee owner or the plantation. Let's take type 3. He wants to motivate. So he thinks of stories he can print on the label, finds many other affiliate avenues where these customers of his could use this coffee, or thinks up gift wraps for the different occasions and has that printed, makes it more personalized, for example, for the occasion or for the name or things like that. Let's take type 4. Finds the same coffee affiliate partner, but because type 4 needs to be seen as an authority, needs to feel more respect, so what does he do? He finds a variety of special coffees from that same affiliate partner and informs his audience precisely about each coffee type, grain, soil, history. Did you see how important it is to find out the 80% of why you exist online and why anybody should care? Any of your audience, your customer. Please don't think, oh, I want the whole world. You have seen with those 3 websites that I have shown that that's not possible. You want specifics. You want your personality to shine through, because you are the business. People will be attracted to you. So please, for your own sake, this is step 1 to have a very successful start in affiliate marketing or any other business you choose. May you be blessed. Please subscribe for the next step number 2 that I will be talking about, where we go into the technicalities. But do this one first. Go below, do the couple of seconds of the quiz, find out, and be you and be successful.